Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ashwal. It's around 5:30 in the morning, so we just started our ride to Bikanapalli Falls. Me along with 15 to 20 members from the Bangalore Bullet Club have joined today for the ride. So we're heading towards Bikanapalli Falls. That's the location, and we're crossing the Hosur toll right now. And we thought we'll take a small break because it's pretty cold in the morning, and there are yet more riders to join. So it's around 6:20 now, so we thought we'll take a small break for a coffee or chai, which can keep us warm right now. So we've stopped near the Karnataka border, where you can see this specific wall kind of a structure, the Karnataka state border. We have stopped here. We stopped for almost an hour. It's around 7:30 now, so we are starting back because almost all the riders have come, and we've made sure we maintain a single line. We go only in a single lane or double lane so that we don't create disturbance for the other riders. So you also can see the Harley Davidson club members going not to the same location but to a different location. So from the main road around after 80 kilometers, you just have to take the service road and take a left. And once you take a left, you keep going, you will find all kind of terrain, guys. Let it be mud roads, stones, no roads, proper roads, everything. So make sure you're ready for a complete package ride, because this is an off-roading proper, even you get proper clean roads, you can see. And guys, make sure you do not overtake when you're turning, because you saw the rider in the front. There's a chance where you can hit the rider who's coming on the other side. So do not risk it. So once you reach this point, guys, you'll have two diversions. Make sure you take the right one, because that's where it leads to the location that we want. And just keep following this diversion for another 5 to 6 kilometers. You will reach the destination. So even this location is completely off-road. It's basically, the roads are all messed up, and at one point you'll reach where there is no roads. It's completely off-roading, as you can see right now. So once you reach this location, make sure you park your bike here, because you cannot take your bike further from here. Just park it off right here, and make sure you lock your helmet, because you need to trek for a while. Not exactly a trek, but you need to walk almost like 3 to 4 kilometers in front, and climb rocks, get down the rocks and all that. And make sure whenever you guys are going for rides like this, have good boots or good grip sole for your shoes, so that you have proper grip. So just keep walking as it is, just keep following the path. Then you'll find a location like this. Once you find this location, you need to go down through those rocks, and make sure you're really careful, because there's water continuously running through there, but there's a chance where you can slip. And please don't mind the camera angle right now, because I had to record and jump at the same time. So just have to be careful. Yeah. So that's where you have to jump, guys. That's how you need to cross and come. So just keep walking through those rocks. You will find the location. You just have to come here. Once you reach this, this top, you just have to come through those rocks. As you guys can see, when people are coming, come on top here, and then you have to jump this place. Correct, here. So let me show you guys, just a minute. So yes, that's where I was previously, on the top. You just have to come through this and jump. So make sure you're really careful, because there's no pebbles or stones, anything on that way, because there are chances to slip. So just be really careful before you jump. So guys, once you reach this place, just keep walking. You'll find location like this. This is how your view is in that location. So guys, after a long trek, we have reached the location. So that's what the location looks like. So yeah, so we have trekked on the rocks here. So we finished with the trekking, and now we just reached the falls. Water is there, but it's kind of dirty right now, so we cannot play in the water, but the view is beautiful here. So I'll show you guys. I've taken the video in the trekking and time lapse as well.
and I'll show you guys the location also. So this place location, I will share it to you guys on the description so you guys can check it out. It's almost 110 kilometers from Bangalore. So if you guys interested to check out this place, you guys can come, and you have to trek and for a while, park your bike in one place and then trek. It's pretty sunny out here though. You guys can see that it's directly hitting on the face, and so we're just taking pictures, recording, and you guys can see everyone's taking pictures there. So yeah, place looks beautiful, worth visiting place. But you cannot play in the water, that is for sure. So that is one thing, because it's too foamy and a lot of chemicals mixed in there, I guess. So the water is not eligible to play in it. But you can have good pictures, good view, and
So guys, we finished taking pictures and videos. So we trekked back the same route, and we're taking the bike back to the same route or to the main road. And towards Hosur, we found the CCD. On the way, we stopped for the breakfast around 11:30 to 11:30, 12. And make sure you subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this, to explore places around Bangalore within 100 to 150 kilometers. So thank you again guys for watching. Stay home, stay safe.